Every living room tells a story, and at the center of that story sits one of the most important pieces of modern furniture, the TV cabinet. It anchors the room, organizes the space, and sets the tone for the entire interior. As home decor trends shift toward clean lines, multifunctional layouts, and minimalist beauty, the demand for modern wooden TV cabinets has skyrocketed. Customers want furniture that isn't just practical, but stylish, elegant, and capable of transforming their space into something fresh and inviting. For woodworkers and furniture sellers, this rising trend opens a profitable path. A modern TV cabinet is more than a piece of furniture, it's a design statement buyers are willing to invest in. People appreciate beautifully crafted wood, clever storage solutions, and sleek visual balance. And because TV cabinets are always in demand, they create a reliable revenue stream all year long. Whether a buyer lives in a small apartment or a spacious home, the search for the perfect TV unit never ends. In this narration, we'll explore the world of modern TV cabinet ideas for 2026, designs that stand out, catch attention, and sell faster thanks to their stylish forms and strong visual appeal. This is a journey into artistic woodworking where beauty meets practicality, and where every panel, every grain, and every clean edge turns into income. Let's step inside the world of modern media furniture and discover why it continues to be one of the most rewarding categories for creators, designers, and sellers across the globe. Modern TV cabinets have become essential to interior design. They help organize cables, store daily essentials, elevate screens to comfortable viewing height, and define the visual rhythm of the room. But the real reason they attract steady buyers is much deeper. People want their living spaces to feel elegant, fluid, and beautifully arranged. A thoughtfully designed TV cabinet achieves all of that at once. When you observe what customers look for in 2026, you immediately notice a shift. Heavy, oversized, and overly decorative cabinets are becoming less popular, replaced by streamlined designs that blend natural wood tones with modern simplicity. Clean shapes, natural textures, and quiet curves dominate the market. Buyers want something that feels airy, harmonious, and sophisticated. And wooden TV cabinets provide just that. What makes wooden TV cabinets so profitable is their unique balance of practicality and artistic expression. A dining table or a chair is often chosen for function first. But a TV cabinet is chosen for style, emotion, and personality. People want a cabinet that completes their living room, complements their decor, and harmonizes with everything else. This emotional connection increases the willingness to pay more, which makes this category extremely attractive for creators. One of the strongest trends for 2026 is the rise of floating TV cabinets. These wall-mounted units create a sense of space and lightness, making the room feel more open. Buyers appreciate how floating designs hide cables, maximize floor space, and deliver a clean, elegant look. The visual effect of a suspended cabinet instantly makes the room feel modern and well-designed. Customers are willing to pay higher prices for this style because it feels luxurious and contemporary. The floating design transforms the entire living room into a curated, designer-quality space. Another growing trend is the combination of wood and subtle lighting. LED accent lighting placed beneath cabinets, behind panels, or inside compartments creates a warm atmosphere and highlights the richness of natural wood grain. Buyers love the modern, cinematic feeling it gives their entertainment area. Even a simple cabinet becomes visually powerful when light enhances its shape. This design approach adds a sense of drama and sophistication, making the cabinet feel more expensive and desirable. But perhaps the most profitable trend is the demand for multifunctional TV cabinets, especially those that combine storage, display shelves, and concealed compartments. As homes become more compact, people want furniture that does more than one job. A cabinet that stores gaming consoles, remote controls, books, speakers, and decorations becomes a multi-purpose centerpiece. The more organized and versatile it feels, the easier it is to justify a higher price. Customers appreciate furniture that eliminates clutter and helps create a clean, relaxing atmosphere. We also see a strong rise in minimalist Scandinavian-inspired designs, typically featuring pale woods, thin legs, soft curves, and smooth surfaces. These cabinets convey calmness and balance. Their simplicity is appealing to a wide audience because they match almost any home style. Whether the living room is contemporary, bohemian, industrial, or traditional, a Scandinavian-style TV cabinet blends naturally. This universality strengthens their demand and guarantees consistent sales. While minimalism dominates, there is still a solid market for warm, rustic modern cabinets. These combine the richness of natural wood with a slightly rugged, handcrafted charm. These designs use bold grain patterns, warm tones, and gentle textures to create a cozy, grounded atmosphere. Many buyers want furniture that feels authentic and natural, something that brings character into their home. Rustic modern cabinets offer the timeless charm paired with clean modern structure, making them popular across generations. Another profitable direction is the low-profile cabinet. These long, sleek units sit close to the floor and stretch horizontally across the wall, opening up the room visually. Customers love how these designs elongate the space, making the living room appear larger and more sophisticated. Low-profile cabinets also pair perfectly with large flat-screen televisions, which continue to increase in size year by year. This trend ensures a solid market for long, minimalist TV stands. Designing visually balanced cabinets is essential. Buyers pay close attention to proportions, height, length, the thickness of panels, the size of doors, the spacing of shelves, and even the curve of edges. Even when buyers can't describe why a piece feels right, they instinctively recognize harmony in its proportions. And that brings us to the end of our detailed look at modern TV cabinet ideas for 2026 and the many opportunities they offer for profit and creative expression. If you enjoyed this narration and found it helpful or inspiring, we put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.